Right, this morning I'm going to give you a quick tour of my recipe for making pancakes. So we start with a little mound of self-raising flour, okay? And then we sprinkle some cinnamon snow onto that mountain. So we cover the slopes with a sprinkling of brown snow, okay? Like that. Then we sprinkle white snow over the brown snow onto the slopes of the Pancake Mountain. Okay, then we mix that up with the whisk, like that, and then we add milk. It's really about as simple a recipe as you could possibly come up with. All right, and a bit more milk. The beauty of this recipe approach is that the size of the batter, the amount of batter that you produce, is simply determined by the size of the mountain of flour, of self-raising flour that you start with. There's no a cup of this or a teaspoon of that, nothing like that. It's just a mountain and slopes, mountain and slopes. And then you add the milk to the texture, the thickness that you want. Add preferably, it's not critical, but it's nicer if you have sour cream, okay? So I bring in a bit of sour cream and an egg. If it were a bigger amount, amount of batter, then it would be 2 eggs. But this is enough to make about 6 or 7 large griddle-full pancakes that I like to make. Okay, and that's pretty much it. A bit more whisking, a bit more stirring, and then put it onto the griddle.